Welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen how we can use group by transformation for a single column. So in this video, we'll learn how we can use group by transformation on multiple columns. Okay, so let's first choose what columns we are gonna use for group by. I have region and I did it in my previous video. Now I'll use category along with region. Okay, so region and category are my group by columns. Based on these two columns, aggregations should be performed. And now I'm just clicking on group by. If you remember, when I select a single column as my group by column, I got the basic option first in the previous video. Now, as I have selected two columns or more than two columns, you will by default get an advanced option. Okay, so in the same group by dialog box, we have the advanced option as well, and it is showing the columns you have selected here, region and category. Okay, so the column name would be again the sales by region, and the operation would be the sum, and the values column would be the sales. Okay, is it clear? So you can use any operation as per your requirement, but for my aggregation, I just need sum and I'm using it. Okay, so we can perform group by transformation for a single column or more than one column as well, based on your requirement. Now I'm just clicking on OK, which will give me consolidated version where you can see the region and category or the group by columns. On those columns, the aggregation was performed. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now I'm just clicking on close and apply. I'm taking a new tab here, again a pie chart. So I have two columns here. I can choose any of them. I'm choosing category here and then the sales by region. So if you see in the previous video, it by default considered the count as the aggregation, but now it considered the sum. Okay, so this is how I can see what's the contribution of the sales across each category. Technology, it is 826.15K. Furniture, it's 742. Office supplies, it's 719. So it's showing you the percentage split across each category. Again, you can show it for a region as well. Let's consider region in place of the category. Okay, so now you have two KPIs, sales by region and sales by category. This is how you can use two columns in your group by transformation. That's all for this video.